soon as you started talking about your Instagram.
Okay, so today we are going on the boat and ew. Today we're going on the boat. If you guys want to see my like vlogs from like last year, juice box. If you guys want to see lake house vlogs. If you guys want to see lake vlogs from like last year or the year before, I leave a playlist down below.
And you know what's up? A-Vlog shirt's lit. Come on.
See you guys later.
What?
On the boat. You're getting a tan on the boat.
I do want to get a tan on the boat.
So you can't.
I can't. It just, I'm not getting tan. I don't know why.
Then why you let your bathing suit on?
Because I just do. Aiden, where are we right now?
On the boat at the lake house.
We're on the boat at the lake house.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going swimming in the lake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm swimming.
Nice. Go on. Go.
Don't push me.
Okay, fine. I won't.
Tomorrow.
Hey everybody. It is Saturday. Yeah, so yesterday we went on the boat and we tubed and we swam and then we went to a marina for dinner.
Now we got a bathing suit on. We got one of the crunchies.
Wait, what?
We got one of the crunchies. It's really hot.
You got one of my crunchies?
No, it's
Show
crunchy.
them what a crunchy is.
It's crunchy, guys. And tomorrow we're going home, so we will make a video at home.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're going home.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I redid my braid and my hair fell out again. We're gonna go put the jet skis in the water now. They're hooked up to the car. We're gonna go to the marina for them. And then I'm going to drive one of them back. So let's go do that.
Eventually.
Okay, so we successfully got the jet skis in the water. And everyone's on the boat waiting for me. Just got yelled at because I'm not on the boat. I had to get shoes and my earbuds. Now, the only reason I'm bringing earbuds is because, well, yesterday's music was pretty lit on the boat. I mean, did they play Ari? No. Was I mad about that? Yes. But it's okay. Because I'm bringing earbuds now so I can listen to Ari myself.
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye, set on his goals Kanye. I hate the new Kanye, the bad mood Kanye, the always rude Kanye, spaz in the news Kanye.